See, right now we've got the medium woodpecker out there. All the squirrels. Oh, there goes the blue jay. He's up in the tree somewhere. Oh, two blue jays. Okay. The cardinal. Oh, here comes the mean blue jay chasing everyone away. The other one chasing everyone away. Got the female cardinal back. The other male cardinal. That little guy. This little guy back digging again. The little woodpecker came back. Love these little guys that like to sit by the stairs. Oh, where'd he go? There he is, sitting on the stairs. Wish I could see the woodpecker better.